To cancel a booking on Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and signing into your account, located in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account, you can create one at this time. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main page, where you can view recent searches and find new places to stay. To cancel a hotel or vacation rental booking, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Cancel Your Hotel or Vacation Rental Booking button found under the Help section. This will open a new page where you can manage your booking. Here, you'll need to determine if your booking is refundable or non-refundable, then select My Trips and Manage Booking to choose the booking you want to cancel. Click on Cancel Booking and select the reason for cancellation. If the option to cancel is not available, it may be too late, but you can contact Expedia support for assistance. Following these steps should allow you to cancel your booking quickly and easily.